Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to set up a coming soon page on Elementor. So in this part of the video I'm just going to demonstrate on how to create a template. Simply click on the Create One Now link that's available in the red text. It will take you through to the normal Elementor page builder. You can style this however you want, but if you just follow along with the video, it will give you a great starting point. And then once you're happy with everything, just simply navigate to the big green button at the bottom and click on Publish. The last step is to apply the template, so select the template from the drop down list of the one that we've just created and then click Update, and now the site will be under a Coming Soon page. And there we have it, so thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.